Hi, hello. It's been a while. It's King of Troy. I haven't been up here in a very long time. I super freaking apologize about that, but I've been so busy. I've just been like living life and trying not like to spaz on anybody, because I've been wanting to spaz. I really want to spaz because life, you know, life. Anyway, well, here I am. I'm back to do a review for this face mask that I got. It's a little fucked up, but I got food on it. I got food on it. Don't judge me. Can you see that? I mean, I've had it for a while now. That's crazy. It's by Feel. Brilliant. Bamboo charcoal facial mask sheet mask. Powerful detoxer and pore minimizer. Yeah. Let me read it. Sometimes in life we carry around unnecessary baggage. You know, unhelpful thoughts, guilt, the should haves and the could haves, or even jealousy. It can take a toll on us and dull our inner light. Learning the art of letting go is tough, but bit by bit we realize that the lighter our thoughts, the lighter we feel, the brighter we shine. What if we could feel brilliant every day? Amazing, right? I know. Cool. Feel and look your best. Active charcoals deeply purifies and detoxifies pores, removes oils, reduces blemishes, and clears clogged pores. I'm probably saying this so wrong. Hyaluronic acid to tone skin. A mask made of non-woven bamboo fibers. How to use them. Okay, so use weekly to replace salon facial treatment, cleanse skin, and dry. As you can tell, my face looks super dry and ashy. Like, to me, it looks like that because I just cleansed my skin and I dried it, and I use this. I love this. I've been using it for 2 months now. I like it. I also use it in sync with the oh my god. I use it with the hydrating lotion, facial lotion, which is amazing. I like it better than the Neutrogena face lotion. I use this every night, every morning and every night. Love it. So I'm already cleansed. My face is already dry. Okay, so that's done. Cleanse skin and dry it. Apply facial mask to skin and leave on for at least 30 minutes to allow serum to deeply penetrate and detoxify skin. Remove and rub remaining serum into skin. Oh, okay. I'm just looking at the ingredients. Water, glycerin, aloe, leaf juice, butylene glycol, sodium hyaluronate, hydrogenated castor oil, raspberry ketone, soybean ferment extract, willow bark extract, shea butter. Wow. Okay. And it's good for 12 months after opened, but after you open it, 30 minutes, it's done. So, all right. Let me look online. I want to see what it says online. It probably says the same thing that it just read. So let's go ahead. Ooh, this is the website. Probably can't see it, but this is feel.com. Okay, and it's $35. It's $35. I guess I'm gonna look like that. All right, we're doing blackface. Nice. Okay, so here we go. Smells nice. It's a subtle smell. It's very subtle. Very subtle. Ooh, it's very wet and moist in here. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay. Is something wrong with it? Okay, I apparently I must gotta like open it up and stuff. I'm yeah. Like it's just been sitting in my room for a while. So okay. I feel like I'm gonna rip it, you guys. I think I'm ripping it. I'm pretty sure it didn't come like this. Like, okay. Okay, there's half of a face there. It doesn't rip, so that's good. I think it's like 45. 45. I'm ready to put this bad boy on. I'm so impatient. Okay. That's my problem now. I'm so fucking impatient. Okay, boom. So, I guess I'll just put this on my skin now. A little nervous. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it feels so good. It feels so good on my skin. Make sure I get it all. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay. Boom. 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 Hey, guys. What's your name? Baby. Call me Leon, not in love. Okay, so it feels so smooth. Like, oh, it's very wet. It is super freaking wet. It is drenched. It smells so good. Very therapeutic smelling. It's nothing strong. It's very subtle. Like an aloe-y smell. It's very subtle. Okay. So it says to leave this on for 30 minutes, you guys. And then once we take it off, we rub the serum in our skin. Ooh. Oh my goodness, hold on. Make sure I get the full effects here. Okay, it's so wet and smooth. It really feels good. Smells good, feels good. I feel great. Okay, so this is the mask on. Look. Hey, baby. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at this little video here. Like, make sure I'm doing it right. It's congested. Okay. And just so you know, for the price, you get 4 in a pack for 35. 4 for 35. I look just like them right now. Oh, I see a little black girl. Okay. Well, let's see what this does, though. A detoxified, bright, brilliant feel. Oh, it just plays over in a loop. I'm like, oh, I thought I saw that. Minimizes pores, hydrates deeply with hyaluronic acid, detoxifies and removes oil. Charcoal dips. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Cool beans. I'm looking at their based on 77 reviews. 5-star, 95. 5 stars, 95% out of 73 people, and only 4 people have had 4 stars. I'm just reading like the Feel Brilliant Mask is brilliant. This is a review from Geraldine R. Verified buyer. Wow, I'm really messing up tonight. This is one of my favorite masks. I have very sensitive skin and I tend to get allergic reactions from certain products, but this mask works like a charm. I recommend this to everyone I know. So from Truly in Georgia, I love this mask. It made my skin look so bright and feels very smooth. I would most definitely recommend this product. Okay. Oh, Hannah, it literally takes away her acne. Must be your magic eraser. Amazing face wash. I no longer get adult acne. Love it. Use daily and will continue to use. Thank you. Well, I'm hoping I get all these same results, like seriously, but I don't know if I'll sit up here with you guys for 30 minutes, because I'm already at 10. That's like 20. I can't talk for 20 minutes. Oh, but I do want to talk about something for everybody out there who may not have all the money in the world to get their products, but just so you know, Morphe, however you want to say it, is now offering Afterpay, and so is the Beauty Bakery, and I tested it out, and I thought it was pretty awesome. An example, I bought maybe, don't do the math, you guys, I'm just giving you an example. I probably bought like $80 worth of stuff, and all I had to do was pay the first payment of $15. They break it up into 4 payments. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I paid the first payment. Boom. So after I paid that, they ship out the product. I know, they ship it out before, you know, it's fully paid. And all you gotta do is just pay over time. I mean, you already get your stuff. It's like layaway, but without waiting for it to be paid off. They'll ship it to you after you made your payment. I've already made so far 2 payments. I got 2 left. My stuff is on their way. It's on its way. And I just think that is really neat. Like, I went to Morphe and racked up, honey. I racked up. And all I gotta pay is $30-something. I got myself a nice brush collection, 32-piece. I got the large Jaclyn Hill palette and the brow kit that I thought was really neat. And all I had to do was pay like $20 to $30. And then they shipped it out. And I was like, so I thought that was really neat. You're just making payments. And I think that's really good for people who can't like drop the whole dime right there. You can't drop the dime right there, honey. That's okay. Afterpay. I know the Beauty Bakery is doing it. What the hell's in my hair? The Beauty Bakery is doing it. Morphe is doing it. If you're in Australia, you have a lot more options because it's just now. It started in Australia, so you guys have a lot more options on store choices than we do right now. Like, cause we're kind of, US is kind of getting there. They're getting there, so that's really cool. But the Beauty Bakery and Morphe was pretty awesome. I seen that freaking Australia has Sephora, Bobbi Brown, MAC. I think we also have MAC. I think Target. They have a lot going on over there. I think that's really awesome. Yeah, so try it. Definitely try that out. You know, go to Google them, go to their website, go to their, they'll have like a whole list of all the stores that they have that's doing Afterpay. So that's really freaking cool. I just want a lot more stores to do it, like BH Cosmetics and everybody else that I like to shop at. So yeah. There's something ringing. Okay, I'm at 13 minutes here. So I might just post another video later, a part 2 to this. But I'm in here just reaching in, getting some stuff. Alright, you guys, that's it for now. I will post the part 2 later, letting you guys know how this went, because I'm a little nervous. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll post pictures there. That is _king_of_Troy_. There's a lot of underscores, like underscore before and between and after. Yeah, don't judge me. King of Troy. I just had to take a picture. Okay, sorry you guys. Alright. feels so, this mask feels so good. Like, it feels really good. Makes my skin feel so nice. Especially around my eyes, it feels really good. Is this supposed to go on my brows? Oh well. Get them sexy lips, girl. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. Alright. So stay tuned for part 2 of this. Stay tuned. King of Troy. Out.